I'm going to show you how to make money online without scams, without fancy skills, and without working 12 hours a day, even if you've tried before and it didn't work out. Most people are chasing the wrong methods, and in this video I want to show you what actually works right now. Hey, I'm Justin, and honestly, not that long ago, I was stuck working long hours, stressing about money, and constantly looking for ways to make money online. But everything I tried either didn't work or just felt sketchy. I was jumping from idea to idea, watching endless videos, and at a certain point I genuinely started thinking, maybe this just isn't meant for people like me. Eventually though, I realized there was a real way to do this, but only if you focused on what actually works and ignored all the hype. Fast forward to now, I make money online consistently, and I started this channel to show you the same real strategies, without the scams, the fluff, or the false promises. Alright, so let's actually break this down. Because if you're serious about making money online, the biggest mistake you can make is chasing random methods without really understanding how this works. By the end of this section, you'll understand why most people fail online, how to choose the right type of online income for you, and the one path that makes the most sense for beginners right now. We're going to do this in 4 simple parts. I'll walk you through each one step by step. Let's start with part 1. First, let me clear something up. Almost every popular way of making money online actually works. Dropshipping works. Freelancing works. Affiliate marketing works. Digital products work. So why do most people still fail? Because they fall into something called shiny object syndrome. You've probably seen this before, or maybe you've lived it. One week it's dropshipping, next week it's Amazon KDP, then it's crypto, then it's YouTube automation, then it's AI tools. You just keep jumping from idea to idea, never sticking with one long enough to actually see results. And here's the part most people don't want to hear. It's almost never the method that's broken. It's the lack of focus and commitment. Now you might be thinking, okay, but which method should I actually pick? That's the fair question, and that brings us to part 2. Not all online businesses are built the same. And the biggest difference between people who succeed and people who quit is that they pick a model that actually fits their situation. Let me simplify this. There are 2 main paths to making money online. Path number 1, service-based income. This is where you sell a skill or a service. For example, freelancing, social media management, video editing, copywriting, coaching, or consulting. The upside? Low startup cost. You can make money relatively quickly. The downside? You're trading time for money, and scaling gets harder as you grow. This is a solid option if you just want to get cash flowing. But long-term, it's not ideal unless you build systems around it. Now here's the second path, and this is where things start to get interesting. Path number 2, product-based income. This is where you sell something that doesn't require your time for every single sale. For example, digital products, online programs, automated content, platforms that sell for you. And here's the key difference. You do the work once, and you can get paid over and over again. Now, before you get too excited, no, this isn't easy or instant, but it is scalable. And this is where most beginners should really be paying attention. Which brings us to part 3. Here's the mistake. Most people ask, what's the fastest way to make money online? That's the wrong question. The better question is, what's the simplest way for me to get my first real result online? Because once you make your first sale, everything changes. Your confidence goes up. You start believing this is actually possible, and momentum kicks in. The biggest things that kill beginner success are high upfront costs, long learning curves, overly complex systems, and unrealistic expectations. That's why models like traditional dropshipping wipe so many people out. You're spending money before you even understand what you're doing. So instead, you want something with low risk, low startup cost, and a clear path to your first win. Which brings us to what I honestly believe is the smartest move for beginners right now. If you strip away all the hype, the model that checks the most boxes is digital products, especially when you combine them with modern tools and platforms. Here's why. Digital products don't require inventory, don't require shipping, don't require customer support teams, and they don't require you to be famous. You're simply packaging information that solves a specific problem. And thanks to AI and modern platforms, the barrier to entry has never been lower. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an expert. Here's the truth. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the person you're helping. This is where most people overcomplicate things. Instead of trying to build some massive business right away, the goal should be simple. Make your first sale, prove the concept, then scale. Once you understand that, the whole game changes. Now let me ask you something real quick. Have you noticed that the people who succeed online aren't always the smartest? They're just the most consistent? That's not an accident. The real separator moving forward isn't talent. It's execution. Showing up, posting, testing, refining. Most people watch videos like this, feel motivated, and then do nothing. But the people who actually commit for the next 6 to 12 months, those are the ones who win. So let's recap what you know now. Making money online is real, but it's not guaranteed. Most people fail because they jump methods too quickly. The smartest move is choosing a model that matches your skills, budget, and patience. For beginners, low-risk and scalable models make the most sense. And the goal isn't perfection. It's your first real result. If you understand this, you're already ahead of most people watching YouTube right now. And if this video helped clear things up and saved you from wasting months chasing the wrong ideas, go ahead and subscribe. I post practical videos like this to help you build real income online, without the scams, the hype, or the false promises.